Sensor readings cover over 30 groups. I'll briefly update on the Middle East war. South Korea has released results of its joint investigation into the May 4th HMM Namuho attack. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs said an unidentified aerial object hit the stern of the HMM Namuho. However, they explained that there are limitations in identifying the exact model or physical size. It appears that the attack was essentially caused by a drone. In the meantime, there have been many speculations online. Some claim the incident was an internal ship accident, not an Iranian attack, and others suggested the US attack to involve South Korea in the war. My video received many such comments. After the government investigation results were announced, the atmosphere changed significantly. Because it was confirmed that an object flying from outside actually struck the hull, it is now more likely that this incident was not an accidental mishap, but a military-style attack. There are ongoing reports of armed groups tied to the Iranian Revolutionary Guard using drones in the Hormuz region. Threats to merchant ships and oil tankers are also rising. In this situation, the attack on a Korean vessel is seen as a sensitive signal, with Iran also raising pressure on Korea. Iran's state-run IRIB broadcaster warned that some countries, including Korea, are maintaining economic sanctions against Iran, and that if the sanctions are not lifted, they could face disadvantages when passing through the Strait of Hormuz. Korea was mentioned directly as well. Currently, Korea has frozen some of Iran's assets in line with the US policy of sanctions against Iran. From Iran's perspective, this is seen as economic pressure. The problem lies in the structure of the Korean economy. A significant portion of Korea's crude oil imports depends on Middle Eastern routes. In particular, the Strait of Hormuz is a key passageway for energy transportation. If Iran keeps banning Korean ships from the Strait of Hormuz, Korea's risks will rise. I'll make and upload a video if there are more updates. That concludes the video. Thank you.
Ja.